Now we're going to go through the double mechanical seal configuration on a universal twin screw PD pump. We already have the single mechanical seal installed. The only difference are going to be our shaft components and the non-product side seal. We'll install our shaft O-ring in the back groove of the pump. You have your shaft O-ring, your rotating seal. Notice your flats on the seal as well as on the shaft. Align them and install. Once that's seated, install your wave spring into the back of your seal carrier housing. Install your non-product side O-ring in the seal carrier housing. And install your stationary seal. Once you have those installed, you're ready to install the body onto the gear case. Slide your body on. Tighten your body retaining bolts. Once your body is seated onto the gear case, you're ready to go back on with your shaft O-rings on the front side of your shaft. Install your rotating seal, your stationary, and your screw adapter piece. Once you install your product seals, you're ready to install your screws, torque them down, attach the cover, and the seal change will be complete. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.